bring fish.
Oh, look who we have here. Fresh caught?
Fresh caught.
What is this?
This is a yellowtail.
Yellowtail.
Okay, it was dead. Signaling over to 182. That was dead yesterday. Some patties, but not one fish.
Oh, see you.
Let's give it a good look, bud.
My first yellow in Cali. Woo!
Right on, man. That was perfect.
Thanks, man. Do you want me to put it on the boat or just hold it and wait for you?
Let him come over to us. They're not going anywhere. Hey.
Hey, Matt. Can we put this on the boat?
Hell yeah, dude! I'm the body. They don't want anything to do with us
it's a belly shot.
Hey, pull in with the yellow first. No, yellow. Yeah, sorry, it's just a mess right now.
Oh yeah, baby! Dude, what's that? Oh fuck!
Where?
Right there. It's splashing. Splash, splash, splash city.
Oh, yeah.
Splash city.
The big ball. Big ball. Big ball.
Oh fuck, dude. Woo! Oh,
Marks. 50 feet, 50 feet, 50 feet. 50 feet.
this is the action you're talking about. Holy fuck balls. Come on, man. Get your shit. Get your shit. Knew I was stupid to take this off.
What'd you see? What'd you see? Nothing, just a bunch of seals. Oh, that's probably what we're marking.
Good shit, bro. Good shit.
Finally.
Is it off? It's in neutral, right?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. You want to just hand me the... Is it dead?
Yeah. It's still kind of kicking. It's supposed
Yeah, okay.
to. Okay, never mind.
No, it's not. It's not. It's still on the shaft. Did you bleed him?
You got him? Yeah, I got him.
Nice. Woo! Oh! Woo-hoo. Almost lost that shaft.
Huh?
Almost lost that shaft. I thought you were holding on to it.
Yeah.
Look at you, man. Good on you, dude. Good on you.
All the decent sized yellows now. Deck wash. That was wet on this shit.
Dude, good work, man.
I saw him hanging around. I had to reload real quick, and I just played a dance with him. Nice one.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
Epic. Well, hey guys, guess what we were able to catch today? This is a very nice size yellowtail, perfect for eating, and we're gonna cut it up, make the fillets, and we're also going to make some sashimi tonight. I'm gonna save the other fillets for my grandparents, but super excited to share this fish. If there's a fish that, for whatever reason, I wasn't able to use fully, or maybe just got kind of old and it wasn't good for human consumption, the plants still love it. And I've buried a number of fish at the base of my avocado tree and my garden, and have seen really good results.
So you just wipe it out with a paper towel. You don't. Fresh water degrades the meat, or?
Yeah, it can lead to more bacteria.
Oh,
so
weird.
there's different schools of thought in that. I believe it. So
Yeah. The logic being, well, what if it's like chlorinated tap water though, right?
it's more so just kind of like, say you took your meat, you soaked it in water, and then all of a sudden you put it in the fridge for a couple days.
Oh, that, yeah.
If you're not keeping it dry, you might lead to more bacteria growth.
Yeah,
So it's just like better safe than sorry.
got it.
And another good thing that you can do is a lot of times people just like take the fillet and that's it, right? The meat between the bones is actually really, really tasty and excellent on the barbecue. So if you have a barbecue or a chance to barbecue it, you should do that.
In we go with the carcass, which you can eat quite a bit of. So we oiled it up, put some salt and pepper and some spices on from a local gardener friend of mine. And I think what we're gonna do is just broil it for about 10 minutes or so. So in we go. Going on broil. And we're gonna let it go. And the chef is done. What do we got here, Johnny boy?
We have lots of the good parts of the fillet that I was able to make that didn't have the blood spots in there, but
Yeah.
this is gonna be good for a little sashimi. We got a little soy sauce.
Keep it simple.
Keep it simple.
Alrighty, let's do it. Well, look at that. Nice and crispy. Johnny says when it falls off the bone, you're in a good spot, and it is. So let's see how this tastes, dude. It's also 85 degrees in my house, guys, so bear with me here. Dude. There's so much of the fish you would throw out if you didn't eat this.
I know.
That's crazy. Mukbang, you're on Epic Homesteading.